Hello Gadgeteers! Today I have for you a quick unboxing of OnePlus Buds Pro 3 earbuds. These are the new earbuds from OnePlus. I'm a real big fan of this brand. As you can see, I have some OnePlus devices here. This is my favorite, the OnePlus Open and the 12 smartphones. So I really enjoy these phones, and I have never reviewed one of their earbuds. So today I'm going to unbox these earbuds for the first time, and I will have a full review in about a week. So let's open them up. I've already taken the plastic off, so let's just to make it easier to open them. Let's open the box. As always with OnePlus products, they say never settle, and it's in their iconic red and black. So in here, what do we have? We have the documentation, just a quick little booklet that shows the different features. And here is the case with the earbuds in it. So let's set that there. And let's see what else is in here. We have, if I can get them out, here we go. We've got two other little boxes. This one is the charging cable. Pull this out. It is, that looks pretty cool, actually. Red and white, USB-A, USB-C, small little charging cable. And here we have, oops, just tore that up. Here we have a set of the ear tips. You can see that the tips have like a little, it's like a built-in little grill. Let me try to put it over a piece of white. See that? There you go. Can you see that? That's interesting. I've never seen that before. Might help keep the gunk in your ears, if you have gunky ears, from getting down into the actual earbuds themselves. So these are 3 different sized extra tips. And now here we have the case with the earbuds. It has a really nice matte texture to it, and it's pretty understated. It just says OnePlus here on the front, and on the back it says that it has been co-created with Dyne Audio, just like their previous set of earbuds. Now let's open them up. It's got a nice little flip top here, and we can see the earbuds. This version is black, and let's just pull out the earbuds. It's got a little, if you saw that, little, there it goes, a little LED that shows the status of charging. And it has the USB-C charging port right there. Here are the earbuds. They have kind of like a black chromed kind of finish, very shiny. There's a little designation here to put this one in your left ear and this one in your right ear. I don't know if you can actually see that or not in this lighting, but these are the earbuds, and they just go back in the case. They kind of have a magnet that pulls them in like you see there, and then the cover just snaps closed. Nice size, easy to put in your pocket, easy to put in your bag. What do they sound like? Well, I can't tell you yet. I'm not allowed to, but I will let you know next week, and we will talk more about it then. But that is a quick unboxing of the OnePlus Buds Pro 3 earbuds. I like what I see. Will I like what I hear? I'll let you know. next week.